Hi, this is Enterprise Roofing. We're doing a video on 4 common shingle roof repairs. This is the Vanna White of Enterprise Roofing, Jimmy Scarpelli. He's going to be helping us today. The 4 repairs that we're going to be looking at are replacing a missing shingle, replacing a vent pipe boot, replacing a valley, and replacing or redoing a chimney flashing. All these repairs we're basing on our industry experience and also the NRCA 2009 steep slope manual. There are always more than one way to do a repair. In some areas of the country require more or additional steps than what we may show here today, or some companies may do things a certain way. Those differences are not necessarily wrong, but these are guidelines to go by. Always feel free to ask your contractor, installer, what the correct way they're going to do it. And if there's any questions on how they're doing it or anything additional you may want to see, any good contractor should be willing to listen to a customer and do as you feel.